December 26th, 2025. I'm here for my Wordle and Quordle of the day. And yeah, I'm going to try the word snore again. It's after Christmas. I said I would wait till after Christmas. I really think the word snore is going to be here by the end of the year. I'm probably wrong, but let's go ahead and try it anyway. And I brought in some clouds to help me. And here is my Wordle. I'm going to put in snore. Oh man, my heart when I first saw that S appear. Oh my goodness. All right, well, we got one. That's better than sometimes. And then we could have an E here, here, and or here. Sleep. Oh, wouldn't that be hilarious if it's sleep? How much do I want to try it? It could be anything at this point. But the advantage of sleep is it would tell me, I really want to do that. It just would be hilarious if it were sleep. I only want to do it if it's sleep. It could be sweep. Could be sever. No, it can't. We've gotten rid of the R. Well, let's see what other letters we have in here that we haven't tried yet. We haven't tried TL. We know the E. Well, that is not an E. And then other vowels we haven't tried yet are A, I, U, and sometimes Y. I should do something different. What if we do... I really liked the idea of the double E to find out. It would either be here, here, or here. And that would tell me if I'm going to try sleep. I don't care. I'm so wrong. See? Oh, I got two E's. I got two E's. I got two E's. I got a P. Speed. Did I say speed already? Was that one of my guesses? No, I don't think it was. I think I guessed a couple with the P at the end, like sweep and sleep. It's got to be speed, right? Spew. I feel like doing that right now. No, speet. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It has to be speed. Oh, that was a gimme. I mean, like, it's got to be that, right? I don't have to worry. I still worry. I say it's a gimme, so I don't worry. I still worry. I'm going to try it. Yeah, of course that's what it is. Oh, funny that I was so convinced it was sleep because of snore. That just really would have been hilarious. Yeah, I got it in 3, and that's nice because I was not on track to get it in 3. But it would have been really funny to get it in 2. Okay, now on to my Quordle. I've got to be very careful because I lost my last Quordle. I lost Christmas Quordle. Fishy. And someone forgot to turn off her phone ringer. Okay, so we have fishy. Then we have budge. Then we have clown and tramp. And let's see. Flunk. F-L-U-N-K. I don't want to flunk today like I flunked yesterday. U could go here. N could go here. K, we're going to give it a try. Flunk. Didn't really pick up much. Picked up a U here. But I don't know how that helps me. U, I... No. Don't know that one. Let's come over here. Strap. S could go here. T could go here. R could go here. A could go here. P. It's not going to be starp or stratip. Strap. It has to be strap. That gave us the S. So S. S. Not an I. Not a B. So what goes there? K. No, because we have a K and that didn't show up. What in the world? What am I missing? There's an S and there's a U. And the I is going to go here or here. And the B is going to go here, here, or here. And the K is out. Squib. Why did I not? Oh, because I'm used to it if the U is here, putting in a Q. That's why. Squib. Okay, so we're close. We're getting there. We still have 2 turns left. And we've got some common letters here. Maybe a little too common. So I'm going to go ahead and do this again. I'm going to place things where they could go. D could go here, or here, or here. M, here, 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 or here. Nomad. N could go here, O could go here, M could go here, A, D could go here. And we've really excluded a lot from here, but the M still could go there, and it does. And that is it for me. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Eventually we're going to get to snore together here. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.